You are welcome to Open Therapy of Open Psychology. We shall be looking at when someone should see a therapist. I am Abayomi Daramola, a clinical psychologist. Seeing a therapist is beneficial when experiencing emotional distress, when struggling with relationship, or facing significant life transition. As I've said, an individual who is going through emotional distress, who is struggling with relationship, or who is facing significant life transition need to see a therapist. There are a number of symptoms that when you start seeing them, there is need to see a therapist. When there is persistent sadness, when there is anxiety, when there is change in behavior, this may indicate the need to see a professional therapist. I've tried to highlight some of these symptoms. If you notice it in your life or in other person that are close to you. Additionally, when somebody is coping with trauma, suffering from grief, additionally, some situation might overwhelm an individual. Situation that can overwhelm an individual, such as when an individual is going through trauma, when an individual is going through grief, or when an individual is going through chronic stress. Such an individual might be overwhelmed, and such an individual needs to see a therapist. When an individual has conflict, then there are conflicts in relationship. When there are self-esteem issues, when there is identity crisis, when there are concern about individual identity, such a person might need to see a therapist. Seeking a therapist is valuable to help to control, to take care of the emotion, the thoughts, and behavior, so that the stress or whatever is interfering with daily functioning of the individual, or that impair the quality of life, or that hinder personality growth or personal growth, will enable the person to have a safe space in healing and in self-recovery. So that's why it's essential to see a therapist in order to help to stop whatever is interfering with daily functioning of an individual, whatever is impairing the quality of life, or whatever hinders personal growth, or whatever is hindering the person from making career progress. So that person will be able to have healing and self-recovery. Thank you.